welcome to our channel. So today we are at a place which is all about coffee. Now if I talk about coffee, the first thing comes to my mind which is coffee house. In India we have around 400 coffee houses, and being a citizen of Kolkata, the first thing which come in my mind, that is Indian Coffee House, which is located in College Street. So I will just give you a little history of this place. So in 1942, coffee board of that time, they established this place as a coffee house, and later in 1947, Indian government has changed that name into Indian Coffee House. Indian Coffee House was all about a place of artist, poet, and always it's a food joint and hangout place from a world of different art and culture, and it holds a very nostalgic flavor. Today we are at a place which is actually holding that old flavor of Indian Coffee House, and this new place is much awaited. I hope you have already understood which I am talking about. I am talking about Newtown Coffee House. As you can see, this Newton coffee house is holding the old charm with high ceiling fan hanging from Koriborga along with modern touch of tiles floor and artistic wall decoration. This 96-seater place is divided into ground floor and mezzanine floor. And fortunately, we managed to take few votes from the person in charge, Mr. Avijit Roy.
আমার নাম হচ্ছে অভিজিৎ রায়, আমি কফি হাউসের রেস্টুরেন্ট ম্যানেজার। 3rd of ডিসেম্বর আমরা ওপেন করেছি এই বছরে। ওই পুরোনো কফি হাউসের রেপ্লিকা করে, দেখুন দুটো মেনু পুরো কম্পেয়ার, একদম সেম টু সেম। এটা 12টা থেকে 7টা এভরিডে। লাইব্রেরি আমরা আপাতত এখনও কিছু ডিসকাউন্ট করা হয়নি কিছু, বাট লেটার অন উইল বি যারা নিউ টাউনের লাইব্রেরিয়ান আছে তাদের সঙ্গে ম্যাচ আপ করা হচ্ছে, তারা যাতে বুকগুলো নিয়ে এখান থেকে বাদ দিচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা,
এখন কোনো প্ল্যান নেই, বাট নেক্সট ইয়ারে ডেফিনেটলি একটা কিছু ভালো আছে।
Ordered chicken sandwich, fish finger, fish fry, cold coffee and hot coffee.
Chicken sandwich, this is good. I would not say best, but it is good. I am dissatisfied with the coffee because I am a coffee lover. Although I love instant coffee, but this coffee is not up to the mark. Means it's not up to the coffee house mark. So I'm not satisfied with the coffee, but this sandwich is good. Chicken fish finger is good. I haven't tried the fish fry yet, so I will try and I will tell you. This is good.